Good evening, Mr. Akram. It's Saul here at GC Motors. So one quick video of the Range Rover Sport coming up. Just thought I'd start you off in our fantastic showroom with all these rare and juicy examples that we've got on offer. So I know it's been a little while since you bought your last car from us. We've revamped the showroom a little bit. The stock's probably changed, but the rest is still the same. We've still got the lowest priced cars in the UK for the age, spec and mileage, and they are of course all our own as well. We don't sell on behalf of other people just to make the website or the showroom look good. See this 675 LT here? It's a cool and rare example. We've also got the Aventador SV there. So everything's prepared here on site to industry leading standards, whether it be this £389,000 Lamborghini or the Range Rover Sport that you're interested in today. They all go through the same rigorous and industry leading process. So here's the body kitted car that you've inquired on, and it is a really cool looking car. So you can see it's got that really rare and unique rear bumper, diffuser and styling kit on the car there. Got that cool looking rear spoiler. It really is an amazing looking car. Got those lovely 22-inch wheel there as well. The red calipers. Now those side steps, they are going to be removed for whatever reason. They're not going to stay on the car. The after sales director has informed me. And so the car's fresh into stock, so we do guarantee any car that you buy from us there'll be no dents, no scratches through the paintwork and no scuffs on the alloy wheels. And this car is no different. It's fresh in. It's going to need, you know, bringing up to our standard. Just need a little bit of love. But as you can see here, it is a really cool example of a Range Rover Sport. But these unique styling features all around the vehicle, and it really does just sit nicely on those 22s, and it does have an amazing presence as well with the body kit and those enhanced features. So just to give you a quick peek inside the car. So you can see here, it's a lovely combination. We've got the dark grey and the black. Then of course that light headlining really does make the inside of the car feel spacious and open. See the accurate mileage on the car there, 58,461. And it really is a well cared for example is this one. Just to show you in the back of the car as well. You can see here, again, it's been really well looked after. You've got those heated rear seats there as well. You've also got the protective Land Rover rubber overmats there as well. So it's a nice example of this one. So I'm going to fire this video over to you now. Hopefully that gives you a good feel for the vehicle. I look forward to speaking to you shortly. Thank you again for your inquiry. Goodbye.